As more restrictive abortion bills pass in states across the country, there's a new one in Ohio that might be the most restrictive yet. Local 12's Walter Smith Randolph talked to the local state rep behind it, and he joins us now. Walter, what's he saying about it?
Well, Robin Cameron, the Republican, says he was inspired to introduce this legislation after the governor signed the heartbeat bill into law. His bill would make sure private companies don't cover abortions. It would also limit the types of birth control some companies could pay for. State Representative John Becker says he's on a mission to make Ohio an anti-abortion state.
It's a matter of saving lives, and it's a matter of cutting costs.
The Clermont County Republican introduced the bill, which looks to prevent most insurance companies from paying for abortions.
So if the company wasn't paying for the abortion services, then their costs would be lower and everybody's premiums would be lower. So it's a win-win for everybody involved.
Not so fast, says Sarah Inskeep with Planned Parenthood.
It's an attempt to control people's decisions and ability to make critical healthcare decisions.
Becker's bill also limits insurance companies from covering certain types of birth control. He says it only applies to drugs or devices that induce abortions known as abortifacients.
If it prevents fertilization, that is, you're not creating a human being, this bill doesn't affect that at all. That's fine. What it affects is if it's what's called an abortifacient.
When we asked where contraceptives like Plan B and the morning after pill fall, Becker said,
I don't know, because I'm not smart enough to know what causes abortions and what doesn't. The bill is just written if it causes an abortion, and people smarter than me can figure out what that means.
This is a full-on attack. This doesn't just hurt women. This hurts their families. This hurts their communities and their futures ahead.
Testimony for this bill has already been heard at the State House. Representative Becker says he's not stopping here. He's also preparing a trigger bill, which, if passed, would outlaw abortions in Ohio immediately if Roe v. Wade is overturned. Cammie?
All right, Walter, thank you. And the last time Becker introduced a bill like this, it died in committee. He says he's confident it will pass this time.